Hey man, do you know people live here?
Yeah, I was bagging it in. I apologize. It was a little louder.
Thank you.
Uh-huh.
Next time, please.
This. So you guys are probably wondering where we're at right now. Just kind of give you like a little tour. It's nice. You got the hardwood floor. We got the island, granite. You know, we got the rooms back there. Well, we are standing in the same place. See, how do I explain this? So when I moved from SoCal, or from NorCal to SoCal, obviously the first video that I made, I had a complaint because my cars were loud, right? Well, we're standing in the place, the apartment that's right above my garage. The people moved out. So we're gonna do a little test right now.
It's gonna be loud.
We're gonna start my car and I wanna see what they heard. Every time I started my car, they heard it, right? So I wanna see what they heard. Now, the fact that this is hardwood floor just makes me think that it was actually louder than, you know, if it would be like carpet in here, for example, right? So we're gonna start my car and we're gonna do like a little experiment. We both think that it's gonna be loud.
Yeah.
Because the thing is, like, somebody opened their garage just now and you can clearly hear it in here.
Yeah.
So
I thought it was this garage for this place.
yeah, because this place has its own garage. So you go down the stairs and you go through like that door right there. It has its own garage that leads right into here. So we thought it was that opened, but it wasn't. It was the one next to it.
Yeah, it sounded right there. So
Yeah.
I can only imagine a car, bro.
Yeah.
With the valves open too.
Yeah.
And you know, like imagine, because some days you were pulling up, say like late at night. You know,
Yeah.
Like 1 a.m., 2 a.m. So imagine, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
So I don't know. I'm curious. I think it's gonna be really, really loud.
Yeah, no, I agree. But the thing though, and that's why I said from the start, like, I understand. Like, I didn't pour water on them. I didn't try to be mean. I always try to leave as quiet as possible. It was just the initial startup, right? So I don't know. Let's do this experiment. You ready? So I'm gonna leave the camera up here, and then I'm gonna go downstairs. I'm gonna be filming downstairs. You'll be filming up here, and then we'll just like merge the two videos together, or the two clips together. So let's do it. Ready?
Let's go. Let's go.
All right. There you go. Lord help me. And we're doing this at 11:42 at night. The reason why we're doing it at night, obviously, because we're not even supposed to be in here, if I'm being honest. You know?
Yeah.
So obviously we have to do it at night so we can be as low key as possible, I guess you can say.
Yeah, it's probably it's our only time to do it.
Yeah,
you know what I
yeah,
mean? Like
yeah.
we'll never get another opportunity like this. You know what I mean?
Yeah,
So,
exactly. All right, man. Lord.
I high-key don't know what to expect. I don't know, but I don't know. I just think it's gonna be really loud, especially like just wait and see if you can hear him open the garage.
All right, so I'm about to open this garage. I'm pretty sure he can clearly hear that inside.
And granted, there isn't stuff in here, so there isn't furniture in here to kind of again dissipate the sound. Can you guys hear that?
And this car was locked. I tried to do this as quick as possible. I think I'm zooming in on accident. Sorry guys, I don't know what I'm doing.
And FYI, the windows are open, by the way. I'm just leaving it like that. So just so you guys know that, but still. I guess the people that were here before, they would always leave the windows open. So I guess that's just how they left it. Yeah, it's pretty loud. Yeah, dude, the floor is vibrating. No, literally, like where my foot is right now, I can feel the vibration of the car. Dude, that's crazy. It's literally vibrating like right here. Like literally like all right here, because this is kind of, I guess, where the garage is. And then now it stopped because the idle. That's crazy, bro. Wow. That's wild. So there he goes, closing the garage. I want to see what this fool has to say because that was actually crazy. It was pretty loud. This fool closed it like he lived here. Yo.
Alright, bro.
Hey, yo. Hey, yo. Nah, so it was loud, but when I walked like kind of down the hallway a little bit, and from right here, it wasn't vibrating. But when I walked down the hallway, dude, I could feel the vibration of the car on my feet.
Nope.
I promise you, yeah. Yeah, it was like that. And then once once the idle came down, then it stopped vibrating. But like if you're standing there, like even in the bathroom, I'm sure, you could feel it. So that's crazy. That's crazy.
Damn. And the thing is though, I don't feel too bad. I mean, yeah, it was loud, but the whole time that they were here, and the whole time obviously the whole time I was here, I've always tried to be courteous.
Yeah.
There was times I'm sure you heard me say like, oh shoot, like it's 8 o'clock.
Yeah.
Because the quiet hours are between 8 a.m. and 10 p.m.
Yeah.
So I was like, oh shoot, like give me 10 minutes, or whatever. I always try to like be a little courteous.
Yeah.
You know.
Push the car out or something.
Yeah, exactly.
Kind of stuff,
there's times where we left that, or remember we pushed it out that one time because I wanted to be loud. Yeah.
Or no, we tried to push it back in.
Yeah.
Remember, or something, or actually, something like that.
Yeah, vice versa, whatever. But damn, I kind of feel bad. A little bit.
I want you to hear it, honestly. I don't know if it would.
Well, I'll be able to hear it through the.
Well, yeah, or not even that, but
just
just to feel it. Because like I said, dude, when I walk down the hallway, like in that area, when you're standing there, you literally can feel like the vibration of the ground moving. Because that's where the garage is and stuff, and where the sound is like resonating from. I was also telling them that like there isn't any furniture in here too, so that kind of does play a role. Yeah. But still though, like the hallway is obviously there'd be no furniture in the hallway anyway. Yeah. But that's crazy. Yeah. That's crazy though. Yeah.
My bad, folks. The thing is though, there's no reason why it should be that. Like they should, obviously they're gonna, because there's 3 or 4. There's 3 or 4 garages in
all
line,
across,
right?
yeah. They should have some.
What makes you think, that you're not gonna be able to hear? Like you can hear I'm sure you heard the garage open.
Well, I was saying that in the video too. You can clearly hear the garage open.
And there were times where I was opening the garage late night.
Yeah.
Because I had to come grab something, not necessarily to start the car, but I had to grab something.
It's your garage.
Exactly.
You know what I mean? So
from that aspect, it's a nice place. Don't get me wrong, but I kind of feel bad from that aspect, like they had to deal with that, and they had a kid. You know what I mean?
Yeah, I can only. I don't know how old the kid was, but if he or she was young, then that's another story,
Dang.
But
my bad, folks.
Yeah, but no, I mean, it's not your fault, I would say, and it's not their fault. It's just, I think that they should have designed the place a little bit better.
100% should have designed it, bro. They shouldn't have never had garages underneath there. They should have had an own detached garage, just garages. Don't have to live above.
I've seen places like that.
6 garages. Yeah. You know what I mean? Like, of course, there's gonna be one car that's just gonna be louder, not necessarily loud, but louder
than the others. Yeah.
Yeah, like obviously mine's excessive, right? But like say somebody bought like a BMW X5, right?
Yeah.
That car is louder than the rest of the cars, you know what I mean? Because it has like a performance exhaust.
Yeah, exactly.
So even if it's not as excessive as mine, it's still loud enough, to
resonate. Or even like a C6 Corvette.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Like they have a very deep tone to it, and I don't know. Like I said, the way the floor was vibrating, I can only imagine like something like that. You know what I mean? So.
Dang, I feel bad. I guess I feel a little bad because I wonder if that's why they moved out.
Yeah, I was thinking about that too. I was like, why did they go? I don't know.
Damn.
I wonder. Nah, never mind.
What, bro?
I was gonna say I wonder what if you were to ask, not them obviously, but to see what they would say if they would. But at the same time, I wouldn't do that because it kind of would bring unwanted attention on yourself.
Exactly.
You'd be snitching on yourself.
Yeah,
basically.
Exactly, yeah.
What happened? I guess there was a loud car, and then you're like, oh, okay, so never mind.
I try to be courteous, and the thing is, they try to. I think they try to get me kicked out.
Yeah.
And it's because they would I mean, I would see it. They were kind of sus with it. Like, I would start my car and move out.
Yeah.
And then I would see them come outside and, like, try to film me.
Yeah, film you.
And, like, bro, I'm clearly, you know, driving a manual transmission, I'm clearly not pressing the gas. Because, you know, you put it in gear and the car rolls. I was doing that.
Yeah,
so
yeah.
I clearly wasn't pressing the gas.
You're basically using the RPM.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah,
I was just trying to roll out. And I did that I can honestly say, since I've been here, I have never like pulled out aggressively or like revved or anything like that. Every time I start my car, I know it's loud. So why like make it more louder? You know what I mean? Like just start it, put it in gear, get down, and then I literally just cruise out, you know, until I get to the street. Then I was like, I press the gas. I've always done that.
Yeah.
So and I think that's why it never stuck with them like complaining and stuff, because like they film it, they send it to the office, and the office is like, okay, like yeah, as far as loud, but like he's obviously trying to be quiet, you know what I mean? Like he's not like being excessive with it, you know? So,
being obnoxious and stuff,
But
that's crazy though.
That's what comes with moving out, bro. You gotta deal with stuff like that. Because living back at home in NorCal, I didn't have to deal with that. You know? And you'll see, because we're going to Monterey Car Week next week. You'll see when we get there, bro. Literally do whatever I want. You know, I can go outside and rev my car as loud as I want for as long as I want, and nobody would say anything. You know? So moving out here and like dealing with that, like it was just so different. Super different.
So, I can only imagine. And that's because it's kind of hard when you have that luxury. You know what I mean? When you have a luxury and then they kind of not get it taken away, but you know what I mean? It's different. So
that's why I was like, bro, what are these supposed to complain about? You know what I mean? Like I was like, what's the big deal?
But
it's different, bro. And you know, life switches up. I'm not sure they switch up, but you know, you just get in a different position in life, and you know, gotta make some arrangements and adjustments and stuff.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah.
I wonder how long they were here. I mean,
I don't know. I just know that they were here when I was here.
Yeah, that's crazy. I can't believe we're in here right now too.
That's another thing too. We're not supposed to be in here, but.
But yeah, no, they definitely should have did some type of like insulation for, you know, all these garages, because that don't make no type of sense, you know.
Yeah.
But yeah, when you opened yours and it was super loud. Yeah, you can definitely hear it. And where the garage is, if you're standing there, you can feel it. You know what I mean? Yeah, you can feel like the vibration of it and all that.
So imagine being dead sleep, bro, and somebody comes over to the garage, let alone me start my car.
Yeah. I don't know if there was carpet in the room, but still, you know what I mean?
No,
like, yeah, that's crazy though. That's crazy.
Yeah. All right, well, let's head out.
Yeah.
My bad, folks.
That's all you gotta say. My bad, folks.
Who knew I would make it this far? They hated, they never believed me. Yeah, I would never drop the ball. I know I make it look easy. Yeah, Mayweather with the defense. I don't care what a critic gotta say. I got them picking up the pieces. That to me, you really playing with your life. I'm about to come and run it all back. I'm the new era, about to snap back. You ain't fitting for it, cause you all